Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to make a very popular snack. Air fryer cheese grilled rice balls, which are simple and delicious. We start with 400 grams of freshly cooked hot rice, ensuring that the temperature and moisture are just right, making it easier to form into rice balls. Next, we add some butter. Butter not only enhances the aroma of the rice, but also enriches the texture of the rice ball. Then we add chopped ham, crushed instant seaweed, 4 grams of salt, and 10 grams of plain egg yolk mayonnaise. These ingredients provide a rich flavor and texture to the rice balls. Mix all the ingredients evenly. Then let them cool naturally until they're comfortable to handle, which makes the next steps easier. Take 50 grams of rice, flatten it on plastic wrap. Then add your favorite fillings, such as tuna mixed with mayonnaise or pork floss. Use the plastic wrap to tightly wrap the rice into a ball shape, ensuring the filling doesn't leak out. Next, cut square cheese into 4 pieces and gently place them on the rice balls. The cheese will melt during baking, forming a delicious cheesy layer. Place the rice balls in the air fryer. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 10 minutes. The air fryer makes the exterior of the rice balls crispy while keeping the inside soft and tender. After baking, remove the rice balls and squeeze on your favorite sauce, such as mayonnaise or hot sauce, to enhance the flavor. Your delicious cheese grilled rice balls are now ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.